How to make the most stupidest money. Even your cousin can do this. Yes, even your cousin. I'm not gonna waste you guys' time. Let's just get right into the video. So before I start the video, there's not no like get rich quick scheme. Those are all scams. There's no such thing as getting rich quick. So if you clicked on this video, it'd be like, oh, this dude's cousin made like so much money. And honestly, that thumbnail or title was just a joke. But this is not no get rich quick. Like, those are all scams. But I do think this works. And if you want to follow to a T, be my guest. But number one is that everyone has a skill someone has. Whatever you do in your daily life is a skill. Whatever you do for money is you make as a skill. Now, take that skill and put it on a platform like YouTube or Instagram or whatever makes you feel comfortable and just make stuff on what you know. Like what I'm doing now. Like I'm making videos about how to make you make money. That's what I know. I think that's what I'm good at. And you can do the same with whatever your skill. Everyone has some type of value that someone needs to know and someone needs to want now. And you can even charge money for that. And honestly, you can just build your way up. But honestly, from scratch, you need to just build a personal brand. Just get on some platform, post videos about your stuff, build your audience. That does take some time. That is slow. But trust me, it is worth it once you build an audience and people actually can trust you and be like, hey, this guy actually knows what he's talking about. This is really interesting. You've seen tons of creators do this and then build mega businesses after. Like Mr. Beast, for example. Like he was nothing. He just made videos about his entertainment and skills. He just does love for YouTube. And all of a sudden, he got super, super popular and now he's the biggest entertainer in the world. And now he made businesses out of that. That's what you can do out of your skill. You can just start from scratch. Just, hey, I know this. Let me help you out for free. And then once you build an audience, you can actually turn into a business. Like, hey, I helped you for free here. Now you can buy my stuff, buy this. And people are like, oh, once you help me there, like, I'm going to buy your stuff now. Because if this free stuff helped me, then this stuff that I'm going to buy is going to help me way more. And it's just that trust process. And you got to build a brand to start that. And don't think that, like, you need to, like, make it about business or, like, making money. Like, it could really be about anything you want. Whatever, like, your creative hobby is, like, whatever, like, you actually just know, like, what you do for work right now, if you actually enjoy that, like, you can just post about it. Like, oh, I'm a mechanic. I'm going to show people how to, like, fix their cars and do all that. Like, you can just post that and people are going to be like, oh, this is really cool. I like to be a mechanic. I want to learn this stuff without them having to, like, go to school. Or, like, if you're, like, a dentist and people like teeth, be like, oh, I clean teeth. This is the best way to clean your teeth. Like, just stuff like that. Like, any skill you have. If you're a great storyteller, just tell amazing stories on the freaking internet. Like, whatever you do, just do that. And I promise you, people are going to like it. People like value like that. Just whatever you know, just provide it. It doesn't have to be about business and whatever it is. And then eventually, when people do grow, when you will grow, you're going to start a business from it. Because it's almost going to be like I honestly have to. Like, once your audience is hooked to you and they actually like you, they're gonna buy your stuff. And if you've been on the internet like anytime soon, you see all these like influencers and people are like, oh, how are they have the easiest job in the world. But literally, they just took an opportunity. They, hey, I like showing myself out there. I like entertaining people. I'm good at this. And they put themselves out there and then people like it and they make money. That's exactly what you should do. I don't know why most people don't do that. Is that, like, no one wants to go to the job every 5 seconds. Like, they want to be their own boss. They want to be their own creative outlet. And this is a creative outlet. Building something that, like, from scratch that you don't even know that you're good at. And people are going to be like, hey, I like you. Most people just undervalue themselves. Like, no one wants me. I don't have any value to provide. But you do. Everyone has provided value. Everyone lives a separate life than you do. Whatever you've done in your life, someone has not done before. They're going to want your value no matter what. If you could tell a good story, crazy adventures you've been on, anything, literally anything. If you just tell it to a T and you just are really good at explaining things and just honestly just want to help people and be like, I'm good at this, do this, and just honestly be a good teacher with it. Like, you can do this. Anyone can really do this. But the reason why most people don't do this is because it does take time. It's going to take a while before people actually recognize you and be like, hey, like, who even is this guy? And you might suck at it at first. You're gonna be like, how do I teach this? How do I figure this out? Like, look at my channel, for example. Like, I haven't grown at all, but I'm still learning. I'm still like processing how my teaching style, or like how to explain things, new ideas, and it takes time. But honestly, I enjoy making videos. And if you enjoy that stuff, then it's not going to be frustrating. I enjoy the journey that I'm on. I might not be the greatest hit right now, or people not even be watching my stuff, but I honestly enjoy it. I have fun with it. And just enjoy your skill and just explain it well. And I promise you, you're going to make money in the future. Like, it's without a doubt. You just got to take time and be patient with what you have. So, summary of this quick video is, number one, build a personal brand. Build it around the niche that you know, the skill you know, and just build it to a T, and just talk about what you know every single day until you actually grow. And then number two is just turn that audience into a business. Turn into actual full profit. YouTube will pay you if you actually grow, but turn into like some business too on the side. Like, hey, click my link. Like, you can turn that into a business. And that is number two. And honestly, just keep growing from there. It's just simple, but it takes time. It takes a lot of effort. It takes time and just focus. And if you're not motivated and you don't like what you're doing, like what skill you're doing, like, you're not going to enjoy it and you're going to quit. But if you do follow this to a T, you will make money. I guarantee it. You just got to provide good stuff, good value, and just know what you're talking about. That's it. And if you enjoy it, you'll have no problem with that. Thanks, guys, for watching this quick video. I'll see you guys later. Peace.